So the number one question that I get when I tell people that I specialize in the 85085 zip code when it comes to selling real estate is, oh, that's by that new TSMC. What's going on with that place? Has it brought in a lot of people? Are the people buying homes in the area? Like, what's going on? So here's a little bit of a dive into what is happening at the TSMC. They are just completing their second fab. Actually, they have two fabs that are completed. The third one will be completed and open by the end of this decade, and they will have 6,000 total employees by that time as well. So what I wanted to talk about is Halo Vista, because that is going to be an area near the TSMC that they are calling a city within a city. And it is going to create 70,000 jobs. And what it is going to have is a $7 billion mixed-use master planned community. It's going to be on 2,300 acres. It includes residential, commercial, and also industrial development. There are going to be two main districts within Halo Vista. One of those is the Forge, which is going to be a 12 million square foot manufacturing hub that's going to include some data centers and also a large warehouse. Then there's also the Sonoran Research and Technology Park, and that is 3.5 million square feet of flexible technology and office space. So those vertical projects in that area are going to begin probably as soon as next year. As for now, we're not quite sure exactly who the builders are going to be and exactly what the mixed use really is going to be as far as shopping and dining and all of that. But stay tuned, because we are going to have some of that information shortly, and as soon as we get some exact information, we're going to share it with you.